All right, market's getting ready to open.
Luck, everyone. Here we go.
Again, keeping eyes on NBEV, keeping eyes on MU right now. Matrix, you're waiting for like a test of 45 first?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Getting a little heavy already. Let's see.
That is correct. Even 44.60 could be, or right now could be nah.
NBEV might get smoked here.
Okay, I'm going to start on Yelp here, risking the 52.50s. So I'm risking 50 cents.
Netflix is looking strong right now out of the gates.
Here comes MU. Okay. Starter size on MU. Get ready to cover once it breaks through and holds, or hammer it in.
NBEV looking weak, coming down.
Come on, give me that massive pull. Give me that pull, MU.
That looks kind of strong.
Okay, I'm all out on MU taking a small paper cut, no problem. $20 lost on MU.
Yeah, I had a feeling that it's going to keep running up that way.
Yeah.
DTE.
Here comes Yelp.
Now let this thing come down, retest the 45 break on MU, and then might look at a long.
Yeah, if it holds 45, should be long. But then 45.30 is a big area here. I'm still watching Yelp right now. My average is 52. Let's go. Good signs.
I can't chase that up.
No. Don't chase.
No, there's no 45 test. I don't like it.
It's only been 2 minutes, so you gotta be real patient. Boom, Yelp. There we go, Yelp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Snap that. I just made 40 cents on Yelp.
Nice, good work.
I should take half. I'll take half. Okay, I'll take half. This is my top 51. I talked about it yesterday. Boom. Fuck yes.
NBEV's kind of curling up around. This could go for a red to green move. NBEV. Might be watching NBEV long here. I'm taking NBEV long. Can't even get filled. All right, I'm in long NBEV, 4,000 shares on a red to green move squeeze.
Okay, VKTX, massive squeeze into the 20. I think I missed that.
Boom, and NBEV, let's go, baby.
Okay, I'm all out on Yelp, taking my money from here.
All right, still holding NBEV. If this has any momentum, it's going to push hard. There it goes. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Killer. Yeah. Love it. All right, selling 3,000 shares. NBEV, only have 1,000 shares on now. Boom.
Eric, if you're still here, can you really quickly let me know if you can get in on, well, you already did. Actually, I'm going to try. Let me try one share and see if it's tradable here real quick.
All right, might take NBEV off here. Well, let's see. Buyers are still coming up on it. Buyers are still coming up. 934, 936. Buyers are still coming in. 940, gonna hold. 941 on the bid, 946 holding. It's going to push again. There it goes, 944. All right.
Okay, so NBEV is not tradable for me. There is a massive pull on MU.
All right,
Jeez,
all
here.
out of NBEV there for a nice win, $1,800 there. Beautiful.
Oh, MU, what a miss.
Oh, MU.
Come back, come back. Give me a comeback here. Looking at MU for the 44.50 to 44.60 test, retrace. Right.
Wow, look at NBEV going wild still. Holy smokes. What a beautiful push there. I got about 50 cents a share on that, so I can't complain.
Not chasing MU down here.
Wow, Adrian, you just got 3K, 3,000 on MU. Nice work. Wow, I should have held on NBEV. Such a miss for me.
Adrian, did you long or did you short? Ooh, here comes the MU retrace.
Hold on, I gotta look at. Oh, Netflix is up to the 370s. Holy smokes! I knew something was gonna happen here today with Netflix.
Lots of money in here today.
Okay, yeah, Netflix is cruising right now. That's like I think I gotta be trading Netflix today.
Oh, here comes MU. Look at that wick. I'm hammering it, risking a little bit above 44.
I'm gonna wait for Netflix to pull back. Keep an eye on that.
Get down, get low. Come on. No.
Oh, wow. Look at MU, man.
MU. Boom. MU. Keep going, man. Keep going. Come on, MU. Get low. Ah. Get out. Jeez.
Good job, Adrian. Beautiful.
Wait for the retrace on MU. 44.5. Shouldn't have chased it. And the weakness. Yelp.
Yeah, NBEV still looking strong here. Well, I don't want to say strong, but it's pulling back. This is respectable. I mean, I might watch it for another trade here in a little bit. It's just too soon. I feel like I'd be, at this point, if you're trying to hop in, you're basically chasing. 1 second, guys. I got a phone call coming in. Hold on.
I'm getting an MU again. 44.25. Risking the 50s. Boom. Go. Go, buddy. Bring it back down to 24 for me. Ah. This green candle still looking strong. I got the 50 MA helping me out. The VWAP helping me out. Come on, get low, MU. The plan is in. 44.50. I mean, the horizontal line is right there. Now we just wait. Oh, Yelp is still dumping. Jeez, should have just stayed in there. My target was 51. So basically all my gains on Yelp went back to MU, and MU's looking hella strong right now. Come on.
I am just kind of sitting back watching this NBEV, watching MU, keeping an eye on Netflix. I kind of want to enter a swing trade on Netflix, but it's too high for me now. I knew it was going to move today. I just, who cares? I mean, I was looking at NBEV, but I do think there might be a trade opportunity, long swing on Netflix. So let's just watch that today. Now is not a good time. Don't get fear of missing out. No FOMO. Let it pull back. Show us something today. Is ALT going crazy again? Come on, let's check that out. Well, I guess it is. Don't mess with that. Do not dare. Whatever you do, do not trade ALT. I mean, it's just too sketchy, guys. It's not worth it. The risk is too high. Okay. I mean, look at that. Look at that big green candle on ALT, and then look at that. Then look at that red one. Drops half of it. Like, that's just stupid. That's super low float. It only has 5,000 shares on this 1 minute candle. Only has 16,000 shares on the previous one. That's not something safe to mess with.
Okay, so I basically just reversed the MU when it ran up over. Come on.
Yeah, MU just looks awkward. Okay, so I'm going to be following NBEV. It's still strong. I think it could be going for a secondary push at some point, so that's what I'm going to be watching for. It is getting a little heavy up here at this $10 area, but I mean, it had a strong push up. I mean, it went red to green. We already tried going lower on the day. We might start channeling now into some type of wedge.
Nice MU. Go MU.
Oh, that does not look strong.
I should took my profits. Come on. I had the 80s. Didn't take my profits there. Pull back. Take a little bit.
There you go. There you got the 80s coming back on the ask. It's increasing. Ask is increasing. Bid's increasing. And that's a perfect example why you don't trade ALT right there, guys. If you guys are watching that stock, that's why you don't trade that. What's this? We got IGAA. I mean, dude, the scanners are going nuts right now. What is all this stuff? UNFI earnings, parabolic move down. Wow, what a mess. And when we got IGC going nuts, parabolic here today too. Yeah, penny stock IGC actually looks pretty good. I'm watching IGC.
Oh, missing ACAD here.
Let me keep an eye on this IGC stock. It's up pretty big, but there might be some potential. Again, penny stocks are coming back in play. They're all hot right now, especially these weed ones.
Nice bounce on MU.
Yeah, I'm watching IGC here.
I'm
long IGC now. Just got in long IGC. It's starting to pick up. So still holding long. Still kind of popping up there. It's trying to keep moving. It's struggling right now. I'm going to hold. This is a strong push. We should get a little bit more. There's probably a lot of people in there with heavy shares trying to sell on it. Come on, give us one more green candle up. There it goes. All right, getting ready to sell some here. Still holding, but all right. Oh, wow. I just took on the bottom of that candle. That sucks. That sucks. That sucked big time. All right, gonna take this trade off here in a second. Yeah, sellers coming in. I'm all out. All out of IGC there. Popped up, had like a $600 win. I took, and it just dropped on me, so took a $136 loss there. Dang, I thought we had a nice runner there for a second. Nope. Yeah, watching NBEV now for a reversal. So there was a quick in and out 8,000 share trade, minus 136 bucks. Again, that's why we don't hold and we cut our losses quickly and trade smart, because that could have resulted in a quick $1,000 loss. Yeah, watching NBEV now. I mean, this is a good time for it to start having like some type of reversal. Just watching patiently. You know, I'm gonna put NBEV on both of these charts because this is one I'm active on. I'm not paying attention. Kind of missing. Yep, there goes the pop. I knew it was coming. Just too late to that party.
Gone back long on MU here. And it's
5
gonna
minute chart
hold.
looks pretty strong on MU.
Yeah.
Okay, I might be watching, and I can't. What am I talking about? That's just not good. Shouldn't do that. I think NBEV is going to get ready to come down here, maybe. If it stays below this 9 level, yeah, it's going to roll over here.
Wow, Yelp did hit the 51 mark, just like I planned. Do I want to short this some more? I do. But I'm in MU right now, so.
God, gotta love the activeness we're seeing right now. It's beautiful. What's IGC doing these days? See, that's just being stupid now. Like, that is just dumb. I can't justify trading a stock that likes to be an idiot. Like, that's just not fun. Nope. We tried it once, it failed, and clearly it's in just a stupid stock now. For day trading, that is, people. Ah, Connor, why didn't you take the bounce there? You've seen it, clear as day. NBEV, you hesitated. Loser. All right, so just sitting back now, gonna wait for something to hopefully set up.
Patiently waiting for MU to test this 45 here.
EA going up. I'm not gonna trade that. AAL moving higher. Oh, that's a beautiful move there in AAL.
Come on, don't fail me, MU. This is the first 5-minute pullback on MU.
Do be careful on if you're long NBEV right now. Again, guys, it's this could be the rollover, and this could lead to a big short, big drop. That is. So we're sitting. So we're up 1,700 bucks on the day. 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss.
Go MU, come on.
How's Netflix doing? Pulled back pretty good there. Still can't justify getting in there for a swing. It had to be really low shares. All right, the rolling over action is so far failing on NBEV, which means this could lead into some choppy trading if this doesn't start dropping. I'd rather see it tank than just chop. All right, so if NBEV does just get annihilated here, there might be a bounce, probably going to be a bounce around 8, but that would still have to get through previous low day at 824s, 825s, which could be hard for it to do. Yeah, dude, people are just not giving up on NBEV. They're not letting this drop. There really isn't any pattern on NBEV right now. It's just all motion. I mean, you can draw some trend lines, but there's really, I mean, yeah, like, you know, you have a trend line from, you know, here's a trend line going up like that. So there's that, and you can draw one going down, but it's a steep one, which usually aren't usually the best. So look, it's starting to roll now. That's the rollover, rejecting VWAP, getting ready to break down below this trend from low a day from the previous bounce. This is where we're going to get either a pop or we're going to get a fast drop. And the drop's coming. There it goes. Okay, I'm getting ready. Getting ready for a position here on NBEV. Can't short it again, but I'll be watching it for a bounce if it drops. Yeah, MU just looks like it's going to roll and just get pushed lower. Again, it's kind of choppy. I'm not the biggest fan of MU sometimes. So. MU starting to roll over and break down. I'm going to hold off on MU. I think it needs a little bit more time. It just seems really uncertain right now.
This is just a pullback, back down to test the VWAP. It's the first pullback, so as long as the 50s holds.
That 5-minute chart, it's on the 9 moving average and the VWAP. Looks like we might get a squeeze here on NBEV. I don't know if I want to take it though. It's a little bit of a W pattern. I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna hold off NBEV. There goes MU rolling a little bit.
Double fudge Sunday.
No, not really. It's not really an ABCD pattern there on NBEV. No, I wouldn't call that an ABCD. That is. All right, I'm getting in long NBEV. It failed to move down multiple times, so I'm getting in long. There it goes. Yeah, like a squeeze. That's what I was anticipating. Now, I don't anticipate a super massive move on this, so I'm going to be very quick to take profits on this. I'm not going to hold too long. See, like you can see it's popping, but it's already kind of coming back down. So I'm going to give it a second here. If it starts to reverse too much, I'll be right out of it. A lot of sellers coming in trying to smash it down. Buyers are coming back up. I'm holding. Let's go, baby. There you go. If it can get over the VWAP, it'd be a big push. So I'm still holding NBEV long here, hoping for a break over VWAP. That would be ideal. I'm gonna try not be too greedy here. Yeah, don't get smacked down on me. Don't get smacked down. So still holding NBEV. Still got buyers coming up on it. That's good. I might take off majority of my position if it, oh yeah. See, I should have been treating that more of a scalp trade, I guess. So we'll see. If it stays above like the 880s, that'd be good. Still got some buyers coming up on it, back up to 895, 898s. That's good. I'll probably sell some here. I did. I just took off majority of my position. I just wanted to downsize there, make sure I'm playing it safer. I mean, it's not the most ideal setup. I'm just playing on the theory that we might squeeze a little bit. So I did take off majority of the position. I'm going to put a stop, or my stop for NBEV will be below. I mean, hell, I got to average at 887. So it'll be, if it starts breaking down 880s, I'll leave the 1,000 shares on. So if it starts breaking 880, I'll get out.
Let's go, MU. Get down.
It's not looking too strong at this point, but I mean, we've already failed to move lower for right now.
Get down.
If I might even add, if we can get over the VWAP, I might even add to this.
Get down, MU.
Actually, no, I'll hold off for right now. I already got a good average. I'm not going to mess the average up. I'll just keep these 1,000 shares. Let it do its thing. Come on, NBEV. Get up over that VWAP. Ooh, this could lead to a curl. I like the way that candle opened. Ah, sucker. That's not good. Rejected VWAP multiple times. Now it's struggling. All right, this is where I'm getting ready to probably take NBEV off. It's at 886. Yeah, I'm out. Oh, no, I'm not. Now I'm out. So all out of NBEV. Nice little win there. Probably about $300 win, something like that. So it started breaking 880s. That's the previous little support that it was holding. So I'm all out anticipating that, this thing should start dropping. It would make sense. But again, there's a lot of people buying this thing up like crazy.
Okay, so on MU, we are currently in a wedge. We got the first higher low.
So that's going to put us up to 2,000 on the day. Okay.
My sentiment on MU is still I'm still short bias on it.
Wow, look at IGC now. God, see, stupid. I got crushed on that one pullback, and now she wants to run. That sucks. It's all good. Tons of sellers here at $4 on IGC though. Watch out for the sellers that on IGC at $4. There's a lot of them, but this thing looks pretty strong. I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks 4 here. I'm not going to trade it over 4. It's too heavy. I would anticipate a big pullback here. Now you're starting to get an inverted hammer candle, or no, starting an inverted, but yeah, no, inverted. Yeah. A little bit of a solid candle here.
MU testing the VWAP, the trend line, and the 50 right now. Dump. Added. What's my average? 45.
Ooh, over $4. There goes IGC. And NBEV is curling back again. Wow, I think I might, if it keeps this curl pattern going. No, don't do that. You want to go back upwards, not down. Oh, you sucker. All right, so NBEV could have like a curl going here, and if it can get up and over this VWAP, it's going to squeeze again, and it'll probably squeeze up towards $9.80. I wouldn't be surprised. Probably get an 80-cent squeeze. It's just got to, see, now it's starting to break down. Had it there for a second, it looked like. But it's still kind of holding trend up. Now it's looking really weak. Boom. Here it goes. It's getting crushed. This should be the drop for it. Yup. And then I'll trade the scalp or the bounce or whatever comes next. Oh, and look at there. IGC, massive pullback there as expected. Wasn't going to trade it over 4. Anticipated that happened, and all the sellers would smack it back down there. All right, so if I'm going to trade NBEV, let's look at this 5-minute chart, figure out game plan. So there's 8 right there. I mean, yeah, if it could just get smoked right into 8, that'd be perfect. If it just get, yeah, if NBEV could just get smoked right down to the $8 mark, I would more than gladly take a trade right at $8 support level. So let's see if it gets smoked here. We want this thing just to rip straight to 8 down, and then it should have a nice bounce. Here we go. Come on, let's go, buddy. Nope. Sad. So sad. Damn it. See, why's it got to be lame? Why can't it just do what we want it to do? Target moving like crazy this morning. I don't want to say crazy, but strong move on target here this morning. Not trading that though. So IGC, 5-minute chart. IGC has a big doji. Well, it's also because of a big pullback from 406 down to 360. Look at that, from 406 to 365. That's a sketchy pullback. Is GTXI curling? I forgot to watch that. Let's see what's going on there. Oh yeah, don't mess with that. No. Stay far from that right now. Not even worth it.
So I'm still in short MU, waiting for this wedge to break. It's either up or down. If it breaks up above 55, I'm gonna get out.
Yep, I'm using a wedge here. Drawings on now that NBEV broke trend to the downside, it's now just basically, it's got a flat support here at 858 and a small little downward trend move like that. Ooh, TLRY. Haven't watched that one today. What's going on there? Oh, come on, TLRY. I thought you were going to 500. I mean, everybody knew it, right? I mean, come on, dude. Why are you dropping from 300 to 126? I mean, it doesn't make sense. It's not like it was a bubble or anything. I mean, jeez. Gosh.
Oh my God.
I love myself sometimes, and I hate myself too. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, TLRY, right? I mean, think about it, right? TLRY. I mean, they're only negative 58 million in earnings. Their market cap was only 14 billion. I mean, who didn't see this coming? Come on. I mean, but they're medical marijuana, and they're the first company to get approval from the DEA. Yada yada yada. Jesus, people. It's like Bitcoin. The people that have the hardest time believing it are usually the people that are trading it or inside the trade. As I stated the other day, right? If you were drunk or if you've been smoking weed, your decision making then becomes impaired because you're high or you're in a euphoric stage, which is the same thing that happens when you're trading something and it's a bubble. You're usually in the euphoric stage, which means you're going to deny anything that goes against what's making you feel good, which is that of a winning stock. And so that's why I didn't believe. But here goes the crash. All right, NBEV going down. Nice, beautiful move here down at NBEV. I think it's gonna hit 8, and it's actually, I think it might, if this really goes, I think we might test. See, it's gonna try and bounce here at low a day, right? It's gonna try and bounce here at low a day from the previous drop, but I think it's gonna run down to 8, and then it might even break 8 for a second. I'm getting ready to scalp this right at 8. Come on, get the 8, get the 8, get the 8. I think we might even break 8 for a second. Yep, there goes the break of 8 there. And I'm long. I'm getting long here. NBEV just got in long 4,000 shares. Stop is going to be right below 8. I do anticipate a little squeeze. Come on, buyers. Let's go. It's just going to be a squeeze back up. Let's go. Boom. Let's go, baby. I'm going to hold. Boom. Perfect. I'm going to sell 3,000 shares there. Just sold 3,000. Now I'm going to hold 1,000 shares for a little bit of a bigger push.
All out MU and reverse on this break of trend ABCD setup.
I mean, that was such a clutch trade. I called that from probably 20 minutes ago. Round of applause, Connor. Fantastic job there, bud. All right, I'm going to take probably the last 1,000 shares off there. So all out of NBEV, solid win. That's probably going to put me up. Puts me up 2,697 on the day. Good job. Anybody take that? I mean, that was quicker. I mean, that was more of a scalp trade. If you guys took it, great. If you didn't, JTV's up 300. You're green for the week. Rick, you got that trade for 850. Nice. NBEV, 100 profit. Nice. Green, then red. Now green for 166. Miami Eric, that's beautiful. Good work. Scroll, the stock that failed the phase 2 trial was GTXI. DJX, thanks, man. Look at this drop. Oh, it's even bigger. Where's the next one? I'm gonna catch this next bounce. This one will be even bigger. All right, we're coming down. Oh, my computer just froze. Damn it. Or is it? Jesus.